Determine the melting efficiency in the case of arc welding of steel with a potential of 20 volts and current of 200 amperes. The cross-sectional area of the joint is 20 mm square and the travel speed is 5 mm per second. Heat required to melt steel is 10 joule per mm cube. And heat transfer efficiency as 85%. So here we need to find melting efficiency. Melting efficiency. We need melting efficiency eta m. So what is the formula for melting efficiency? Melting efficiency is equals to Hm by Hi into 100. So to get percentage, multiply by 100. So what is Hm here? So heat required, Hm means heat required for melting, heat required for melting weld joint. Okay. Next, Hi. Hi means heat input or heat supplied. Heat input or heat supplied. Heat input or heat supplied. Okay. Here Hm is already given. So heat required for melting steel is 10 joule per mm cube. So per unit volume of material, what is the heat? 10 joules. So we need 10 joules for 1 unit volume of material. Okay. Now, so here only unknown is Hi. Hi means heat input. So what is the formula for heat input? Heat input is equal to voltage into current by cross sectional area of weld joint into travel speed. Okay. So into heat transfer efficiency. Let us write given data here. Here is given arc voltage or potential difference as 20 volts and current 200 amperes. Cross sectional area of weld 20 mm square and travel speed as 5 mm per second, and heat transfer efficiency 85%. 85% means 0.85. Now substitute all values. We will get Hi. Voltage 20 into current 200 by weld area, cross sectional area of the weld 20 into potential travel speed 5 mm per second into 0.85. Let us simplify further. 20 cancel, 5 ones and 5 40s. So 40 into 0.85 can be written as 85 by 100. Okay, 5 20s and 5 17s 85, 21s are and 22s are. 2 into 17 how much? Heat input is equals to 34 joules per unit volume of material. Joule per mm cube. So now we have heat input as well as heat required for melting unit volume of material 10 joule per mm cube. Now substitute two values in melting efficiency. So melting efficiency is equals to Hi. Melting efficiency Hm by Hi. Hm by Hi into 100. So Hm how much? Hm 10, Hi 34 into 100. Now 5 2s are or 2 5s are. So 2 5s are 10 and 2 17s. Now melting efficiency is equals to 5 into 100 500, 500 by 17. So if you calculate 500 by 17, you will get around 29.41%. Therefore melting efficiency is 29.41%.